We're following a developing football story. Tom Brady's team firing back against Roger Goodell, the commissioner, in the Deflategate legal battle, tearing down his arguments, at least trying to, point by point. Brady's attorneys are calling this case now a smear campaign. They said that in new documents, but the NFL had some words for Brady, too. Night Team Susan Tran has been looking through these new documents, and she's in Foxborough now to tell us what she's learned.
Kim, it is Team Brady versus Team Goodell, with both sides saying that neither one is playing by the collective bargaining rules, and it's fair to say that neither side is willing to settle.
The attorney for the NFL Players Association pulling no punches, calling NFL Commissioner Roger Goodell's decision to uphold Tom Brady's 4-game suspension a smear campaign, saying it was a propaganda piece written for public consumption. The 19-page filing from the Players Association comes ahead of next week's meeting with the judge. In it, they say, at most, Brady may have committed an equipment violation, which, as part of the collective bargaining agreement, a first offense would result to, at most, an $8,200 fine. The NFLPA called out Goodell for blowing Tom Brady's recycling of his cell phones for privacy reasons out of proportion. A short time later, the NFL filed its own 8-page document for the judge, sticking to their playbook that Brady's 4-game suspensions should stand. They say the evidence of Brady's obstruction of the league's investigation is not only substantial, but undisputed. This wasn't just an equipment violation, that Brady knew about a scheme to tamper with footballs, and that he knew it could reasonably be considered conduct detrimental, warranting suspension.
And the meeting for both sides is next week, with the judge, with him making a decision by September the 4th. We're live outside of Gillette Stadium. Susan Tran, 7 News 19.